Okay, I'm gonna make a coffee ice cream. My bowl's ready. Tonight is coffee theme. This will be very easy to do, basically based off the vanilla protein ice cream. So I am going to get started here. Blend 1 serving. I'm not going to do that. We're going to do half a serving because for the challenge I'm doing this 2 times. Okay, we are ready to go. No blades. Blades. Put the blades on. Easy. Turn the scale on because that helps. Alright. There we go. This one's going to be a late upload because I'm having difficulties uploading. But whatever. Okay. Let's do it. A little bit of milk. You can use cold coffee, I just don't have cold coffee. Alright, the whey powder. I said this is like a like coffee and cream kind of type thing. And if you're a person who likes to have a lot of cream and sugar in your coffee, this is right up your alley. But without the guilt. Okay, vanilla extract. I'm only going to use a little bit of the vanilla extract. That's enough. Stevia. See, I consumed a little extra calories today, so I'm going to just do a zero sugar type ice cream, which means it's all stevia. Okay, I'll leave that out because I got to do this twice. Alright, so now the milk cubes. Which, if you've seen a few of these by now, I can never seem to not drop one of these damn things on the floor. I got to put these in a bag or something like a bowl in the freezer. Yes? Hello? Doing the stuff and you're in the next room. What's the matter? Oh, okay. Alright, I didn't know it was like that. I'm sorry, my butt. Alright. Alright. Yeah. Alright, well, excuse that interruption. I said this is unedited video. Oops. My ice cubes refroze again, so let's see what I can do here. Try to pop these out one at a time, really. Okay, that's what we got. Now we just blend it up. Okay, gotta add the coffee first. Can't forget that. Nice coffee. You can add as much as you want. That's all I'm gonna add. Tamper, spatula, and that is it. The machine will do just fine. Set my timer. Cube got stuck a little bit, but no big deal. Through experience, you learn how much more you need to blend. So that's done. So that was 150 calories. I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it up. Could have used an extra ice cube or two. That's okay, because I saved these for later. But I could eat it right now, it's good. Just put it in the freezer, and I'm gonna have it firmed up a little bit. But it's still good to go. Tastes real good. Okay, let's do round two. It's gonna be continuous video. All right. Okay, that one's made. Come on, iPad, respond. Okay, do it again. Half serving. Okay, and we go again. Okay. All right, now we're cooking with some gas. Okay, back to the way. Like I said, I'm doing this challenge, everything twice over, to show that the machine works. And it's been reliable. It's only 4 days in the challenge, but still, I find that it works perfectly. There goes the rest of the extract. Stevia. What I'll do is I'll use a little less stevia and just sneak in the coffee. Boom. That's where I'll sneak the coffee in. See, sometimes you can mess with things. And then the milk cubes again. And these should be ready to just pour out. cube. If I can get it. There it goes. Yeah, still short one. So I'll just add a regular water ice cube. There we go. Now we can blend that up. Get my other dish here. Ready to go. Is made ready for enjoyment. That was about 155 calories. It's probably more like 150 because I added a water ice cube and has 0 calories. See, once again, perfect. And that is it. Raw, unedited, with mistakes, with interruptions, video. So I'm just going to clean this up. Ice cream is super easy to clean up, so I'm not even going to bother showing that. So that's it.